Welcome to our deep dive into data visualization with Matplotlib. I'm the programming professor, and today we'll explore how this powerful Python library can elevate your data visualization skills. In this video, we'll cover three main areas. We'll explore how you can use Matplotlib to visualize data. Then we'll look into how to style and label your plots for better communication of your data. And finally, we'll discuss implementing grid lines and creating multiple plots within a single figure to make complex data sets more digestible. Matplotlib is more than just a plotting library. It's a tool for creating static, dynamic, and interactive visualizations. It's widely used across different Python environments like scripts, shells, IPython, and Jupyter notebooks. Its syntax mimics MATLAB, making it an intuitive choice for those familiar with that environment. And it allows for extensive customization of plot elements including axes, legends, and colors. Now, let's move into styling and labeling plots. Here, we see code that demonstrates how to plot data points as red circles. Add a title to your plot, label the axes, and use annotations to highlight significant data points or changes, like the shift in drinking age to 21. These functions like plt, text, plt, annotate, and plt, legend, let you add further annotations to make your plots both informative and visually appealing. Next, we'll look at how grid lines can be added to your plots. Here, we have code that shows how to add light blue dashed grid lines to your plot, which can significantly enhance readability, especially when dealing with dense data. You can adjust the color, line style, and width to tailor the grid to your visualization needs. Moving on to multiple plots in one figure. We have a script here that sets up two subplots vertically. This allows you to compare different data sets or aspects of the same data side by side with individual titles for each subplot, and a super title for the entire figure. This is particularly useful for comprehensive data visualization where you want to show different perspectives or time periods of data. Finally, to summarize today's session, Matplotlib is an indispensable tool in Python for data visualization, offering a vast array of plotting capabilities. By customizing plots through styling, labeling, and annotations, you can significantly improve how data is interpreted. Additionally, using grid lines and multiple plots in one figure can make your data storytelling more effective. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.